As a founder, you understand that little details are the ones that impact your product the most. If you analyze this car, the production line, Elon Musk, the company, you will understand how these little details create the biggest company, the biggest manufacturing car company in the entire world. And the reason I'm telling you this is because most of the time you're hearing from product development processes that you should focus only on releasing and putting content, on putting features outside, is what, I don't remember the whole accurate this term, but is factory featured products. If you analyze that most of the recent products that release to the marketplace, you will understand that most of them they are just a factory featured products. What is a factory featured products? Products that doesn't impact in the people's life. So the fact that you are just releasing for release, the fact that most of companies just add features that most of the people don't need is true, and we're going to change that. How you change that? You have to go and talk with the customer. You have to understand your marketplace, your niche. You have to understand pain and gains of your customer. You have to become a product customer focus, and you have to be on side of the customer. So the customer has to be in your mind forever ever. Why? Because the real truth, there is not total truth, but the real truth from the feature that you're going to release, from the features that you need to have in your product, the only person that have it is the customer. So stop focusing on the less important feature and trying to identify the most important features. How do you identify the most important features? Well, it's not as easy as I'm talking to you. It's not easy. It's not easy to identify the important features that any product has to have for you can release it, because it's not, there is a lot of developers, there is a lot of companies that were billion-dollar companies. So that's the challenge. But with the strategy that I'm sharing with you here, so if you identify a niche and you can create few features for those niches, for those marketplaces, for those customers that you already identify, and you start evolving, talking with them, think about it, talking already with them. What I mean when I say talking with them is that you already have a channel of communication between you and the client. And this is powerful. It is powerful because it helps you accelerate your development process. It helps you to identify the most impactful features for your future customers. And it's also help you to speed the production release of this product that you have in mind. Before, I was reading today the 0 to 1 book, the Peter Thiel book. In the first chapter of that book, he mentioned few ideas that he got from 1990, after 1999, and one of them was that you should become a focus development. Let me see if I remember correctly. Product development matters more than distribution. That was 30 years ago, 20 years ago, okay? Right now, I can say that distribution matters as much as product development. Maybe not more, because product development is important. It will impact your customer. The product is the thing that impacts your customer, but the distribution is how you get to the customer. And right now in this noisy world, getting to that customer, and there is noise everywhere. There is noise in any marketplace, and you define noise in different ways. But noise is a lot of things that doesn't make sense, okay? And if you see the internet, the apps store market, the SaaS companies, the YouTube, there is a lot of things that doesn't make sense, and it's still there out there. So you have to go through that noise. And I think the best thing to do that is just using content marketing and pushing a lot of content, becoming a person of value, for you can understand and add some value to the customer that you want to create a product for. So right now I'm focusing on you, developer, software engineer. For example, so you develop software engineer that wants to become a founder, and I want to help you in that one. I'm in the same part of you, and I want to share what I learn, what I think, and I'm doing this in life for you. I'm sharing a lot of content just for you can understand what I'm thinking, for you can go to the reference that I'm sharing with you, and you can go analyze them and say, hey, Carlos have some true on this and this is not true. But doesn't matter what I'm saying it is not true. What does matter if what I'm saying to you that is true and becomes true for you, because then you will start to believe, and then you will start to search your own search, which is the most important goal of this channel. Giving you the path, showing you the light for you can go to search your own solutions, your own customer. You can start putting content outside. You can get your skills and create the features that really matter and impacts for a different for a different niche, for a different for your solution that you have in mind. Go there, write code, read only the necessary, and release the feature that matters. Don't become a feature factory that's most of the companies. Okay, think about it and create amazing products like this one. Bye.